Hi, I'm Mark Seelig with Goat Training in Edwards, Colorado, and also I'm captain of the U.S. men's rafting team. I thought it'd be helpful for a lot of you guys out there to kind of think about things a little bit differently, because what's happening is there's a lot of workout programs that are kind of coming online for you to do at home, and body weight stuff is absolutely fantastic. But eventually, if you continue to add reps, it's going to have more of a conditioning effect. For somebody that's never done body weights, they're actually going to get stronger doing it. But eventually, as you continue to do that, you need to figure out another way to add stress. Not everybody has dumbbells or kettlebells in their house, but it would be great if you could get some of those. Right now, everybody's sold out. So a way that you can kind of handle doing that is I would actually grab a backpack and I would fill it up with whatever you have. Tools, gear. If you have some lighter dumbbells, continue to build that up. And there are multiple different exercises that you can do just by using a loaded backpack. One that we try to get people to do quite a bit is just a squat with a backpack. And you can load up that backpack, and it's actually really nice because what you can do is add a little bit of stress and add a little bit load to the body after body weight squats are not effective anymore. And then you can get stronger rather than just getting more conditioned to that movement. Another one that's really helpful is you can do what we call a walk up, step up. That's a great exercise. Another one is a split squat. Here, for upper body exercises, you can actually do a push up with the backpack on. Now, the way to do this is to continue to add weight to whatever rep scheme you do, but make sure you don't go to failure. Make sure you leave 2 reps in the tank. You can go to 8 reps, you can go to 12 reps, whatever it is, that's fine. Just make sure you leave a couple reps in the tank. And if you're not there, just slowly start adding the weight. If you cannot get another rep done, you've probably stressed yourself a little too much. Give a bunch of these a try, and check us out on Instagram. We're doing a bunch of different workouts that you can look at and kind of keep in track with us.